What's up guys, Rich here, and I'm going to unbox and share my first impressions with Thomas Funder Måne. And so I already unboxed the outer boxing and we're just going to get to the watch right here. Okay, and here it is. Let's see. So if you're wondering who Thomas Funder is, he is a Danish designer known for his minimalist designs, and he came up with a really cool modular concept here. Now, it's not the only watch that has this concept, but there are a very few that do this. This is a really nice, a really pretty blue here. It's in 40.5 millimeters, and it's in a grade 5 titanium. So I'm going to share and do some of these things with you here, and then come back with a full review later on. So this is the instructions that it comes with on how to change out the watch. So basically we can change out the case or the dial and the movement, which is the modular part, anytime we want. So according to the instructions, we just hold the case with two hands and then, okay, here a click. That should, yep, that, let me turn this a little bit more. Okay, and here it is. So this is the module part that's with the dial and then the movement. The movement is the Solita 288 automatic movement. And we can see right there above 6 o'clock, there's the moon. And then the other half of it is with the stars. Really, really pretty, very stunning blue. And then here is the case. It's a monoblock style case, which means it's made from one piece. That was very similar to the watches of the 70s and 80s. Super light because this is, like I said, the grade 5 titanium on the rubber strap. So when I'm talking about the modular type of interchangeable watches, we can change it out anytime we want. So if we want a different case from this titanium case, it is available in a gunmetal titanium, a blue titanium, a black titanium, and a brown bronze titanium. As far as the modular here with this, there are a lot of different options here. If we like, this was called the phase because we can see the different phases of the moon here. But this is available in this blue, black, and a brown, black, bronze. But there's also two other dials or modulars that's known as the state, which indicates the status of the moon. That's available in a cherry, green, and blue. And then there's a day, which is available in silver, dark gray, and black. The day indicates how many days until the next full moon or the next new moon. I'm a visual person, so I'd like to see the actual status of the moon. So I chose the phase model here. Really, really well done. Really nicely finished. There's a crown. Very pretty. It is a screw down crown. So really a lot to like here. So what makes sense to me is I probably wouldn't change out the case. I like this titanium case, but where I might change it out is on the module part right here. I might go for the cherry in the state version, just because I think that red looks really cool. But we can do that, and let's pop this back in. I just want to read the instructions, make sure how to do this, how to insert the module. Okay, so we just have to line this crown up with the slot here. And then we pop it back in and then turn it clockwise 6 degrees until we hear that click. This is the first time I'm doing this here, so I'll get this right, but I think that's it. That's right. So, we change out the straps on our watches to give it a new look. So I think this concept is a neat concept. I think it gives us an all new look. And if we want to know what the cost is, the price on the whole watch itself like this is about $1,000. But if we want just a new case, it's between $200 and $230. It's $200 for this titanium case, and then the different colors go up to about $230. The module itself is about $675. So, if, like I said, I'd probably just change out the module part, and then instead of buying a whole new watch, I would spend $675 instead of the $1,000, and I would really have two basically two watches because of the two entirely different looks. So if we like what we see here, just the watch as it alone, as a stand, I think it's a really sharp looking watch here. There's different indicators of the status of the moon on the case back. Really well done, titanium. So if we like the modular type watch where we're thinking about maybe changing it out from time to time, then I think Thomas Funder Måne is a really definitely a nice watch that's worth our consideration. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon.